Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now, if you're in the market looking for a charging solution for your MagSafe device, we're talking about the full iPhone series of phones that support MagSafe. Well, I have a product for you, and this is from Zendure. This is the Super Mini Go, and it is a wireless charger as well as a wired charging solution for all your devices. Not just the iPhone, but any device that can charge either wirelessly or using a USB cable. Let's go and check it out. Now, the Zendure Super Mini Go is a really unique wireless charger. Haven't seen anything like this before. And you can see here that we have three versions or three colors of it. And as you look at it, at first glance, you're going to say, wow, that looks like if it was a camera, like a handheld camera. And it does. This area is your charging area, right? And as I flip this over, this is your power button. And then as you go over here, you notice that you have an area here that's going to have an LCD display. It's going to actually tell you your battery life. And this is the cool thing. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see that. Let's see if we can put it at an angle right there. You guys see that? Check that out. See that? So interesting that it's a very reflective solution, but it actually has the ability to display how much battery life you have left. Now, in addition to that, you do have a lanyard that's included, as well as a USB-A USB-C cable combo inside the box that you'd be able to have this on your wrist, right? And then over here you have a fast charger, right? And then you have your USB-C here. Now, this will charge, for example, Samsung phones using fast charging technology. Matter of fact, it's going to charge anything that can charge via USB-C or USB-A, which is really nice. The big thing about this is going to be how it charges with the iPhone. So this is a MagSafe iPhone, and I'm just going to put it right here, locks into place. And then what you'll notice is, as soon as I press this button on the back and power it up, you're going to see it's powered up, we should be able to get charging. And you'll notice that it started to charge. Right? This phone happens to be right now at 100%, but it's doing the mag charging. You can see that it's pretty locked into place. Now, if I were to use this with a Samsung phone or an iPhone, the wireless charging area will work on another device. It will work. It's just not going to be MagSafe, and it's also going to be, it depends on the case itself. So like right here we have a UAG case on my S22 Ultra, and it's going to have a hard time finding it, except right there. See how I found it? So it has wireless charging, it said. Let's find it right there. There you go. So you see it's doing fast wireless charging, which is really nice. But what's not going to happen is it's not going to lock into place. So yes, you can charge any device with this. I've tested this with the Pixel. I've tested this with Samsung. I've tested this with literally any wireless charging phone that's on the market will work. It's going to vary based on your case, and it's not going to stick as you would expect. The whole thing here is, again, the uniqueness of this solution is going to be this overall look. The fact that this looks like if it was a camera, right? And then the fact that you can literally charge any device that you'd like. Now, we've been using Zendure chargers for a very long time. I think I probably have every single one that they have. They're durable, they last a long time, they charge quick, and I have yet to have one go bad on me. So that, guys, is the Super Mini Go. Available in 3 colors. All depends on which one you like the most. And again, it's going to charge all your devices. See you in the next video.